And a very warm welcome to the Trading Education Center, where we're going to talk about why trade the financial markets. So before we talk about why trade the financial markets, let's discuss a little bit about what the financial markets exactly are. So the financial markets and trading in essence means what? Exchange actually is the word here that we're looking for. So trading actually is an exchange. Now in the olden days, we would barter trade. So we would take, for example, some vegetables over here and maybe exchange it for a pig or a cow or something like that. It were very arbitrary things. We wouldn't have currency, but of course today we have currency. So we have currency today, and we have the ability as well, as an example of a financial market, to be able to buy stocks. Okay? So we have the ability to be able to buy stocks with currency today because we don't need to barter trade anymore as they needed to in the olden days. So the great thing is there are so many advantages of trading financial markets in general. We're going to go into the specifics over the next coming videos. We're going to go into the specifics of what are the advantages and disadvantages of various financial markets. But as a general rule of thumb, trading financial markets allows you one key advantage, which is not only to buy the market, wait for it to climb, but also to short the market as well. And this is an excellent feature because it allows you to make money as the market is falling. And of course, as with traditional investment, and those of you that are investing traditionally or even buying property, you'll know that you can also trade the market long, which is buy and then sell when the price climbs to a higher ideal price that you'd like to sell at. So two ways in which we can make money in the financial markets. So let's look at some of the different types of markets. So the first type is one I've mentioned already, a type of stock which sits under the equities or indices category. The second, foreign exchange, also called Forex for short. Crypto, which is a new up-and-coming market, very, very popular. 4, commodities, oil, gold, silver, and such commodities like that. 5, bonds, and finally 6, ETFs.
We trust you enjoyed our Traders Education Center tech video. To unlock the full tech modules for free, click on the link below and hit the subscribe button. Then go ahead to register with your contact details and create your unique username and password to enjoy the fully unlocked tech modules.